Hello, I present to you the program Elecont Weather, which transforms your cell phone into a real weather station. After installation of the program, a new bar will appear in the lower portion of your screen. Initially it will be blank, prompting you to click on it and enter your city. Let's do this now. After clicking on the bar, several options will appear for refreshing the weather. You may choose to refresh automatically through the existing internet connection or manually. Let's select to refresh automatically. A list of several countries will appear. If the desired country is not available, you can see the full list of countries by clicking on the button labeled Other Countries. After selecting a country, a list of cities will appear. You can either scroll through the list or enter the first letters of the city's name and the list will automatically scroll down to the desired city. The setup of the program is now complete. The main screen of the program appears. Initially, the screen will state that it is receiving weather data. After several seconds, the message will disappear and the weather forecast will appear. On the left, we see a list of days with temperature and precipitation forecast for said day. If you select the current weather, then on the right will be a detailed forecast with day and nighttime temperature, what the temperature feels like, and the speed and direction of the wind. In the lower part of the screen will be a barometer chart showing the pressure for the past 24 hours. It will be green if the pressure hasn't changed or has only changed slightly. However, if the pressure is greatly fluctuating, then the chart will turn red. This allows the user to understand why they are feeling poorly, as well as changes in the weather. For example, a drop in pressure leads to bad weather such as rain and snow. A rise in pressure leads to good weather and clear skies. In the lower part of the screen there are also 3 buttons. Clicking on the left one shows an hourly forecast for the next 48 hours. With the hourly forecast, you can find out when it will rain or snow and plan your day accordingly. At the bottom of the screen is a temperature graph, which shows that the temperature will fall to -10 degrees and will remain as such for the duration of tomorrow. If there is an exclamation sign on the icon for a particular day, this signifies that there will be hazardous conditions that day. They are available for viewing by clicking on the middle button. You can manually scroll the list of days. The color scheme for the program can be changed by clicking on the heading. Possible color schemes range from pink to black and white. Personally, I like the black and white setting. Advanced settings are available through the menu. You can change the language of the program, units of temperature, pressure, speed, and icons depicting the weather. For example, the font looks very simple, but gives the program a certain style. To add an additional city, select Add City from the scroll-down menu. For example, select Russia, City of St. Petersburg. By doing this, you can also rename a city. When we close the program, we see that today's weather is visible on the screen. Current conditions are present, as well as the forecast for the next several days. Now, to find out the weather, you don't have to see if the wind is rustling the leaves outside, or if there are droplets and puddles. You can simply check your cell phone, just like you use it to check the time. The program is free for the first 3 days. After the first 3 days, the program functions with a limited capacity. The program does not require a yearly subscription, and updates are available for free.